Sullivan. I'm a former IRS agent and teaching instructor. Welcome to my YouTube station. I'm going to talk to you self-employed people like me and let you know that if you're self-employed, if you're filing a Schedule C, you're probably losing a lot of money. If you don't step up and become a sub S or another category, Schedule C people just get racked with taxes. So you're going to need to look into that. But what I want to talk about are really the struggles of paying taxes when you're self-employed. When I left IRS, obviously the money was taken out of my check, and for 43 years, I'm in this category that you are self-employed and having to go ahead and make my estimate payments, and it's tough. It really is. You go ahead and you get money in, it goes out, then at the end of that quarter there's no money left for you. The only way really, I think, is I actually have an automatic amount sent from the bank monthly to IRS. I don't have to worry about it. I just gotta make sure there's enough money in that account to get to IRS. So if you're struggling and you're self-employed, believe me, I knocked in the doors of thousands of people. I collected a lot of back taxes. I was a revenue officer. I seized businesses. I did a lot of things. I mean, I've closed houses and RVs, everything, you named it, I seized it because people didn't pay their tax, and 90% of them, maybe 95, were all self-employed. So you've got to find a way that you can just put that in a monthly payment and then go ahead and pay it. That's the only thing that I found work. I give that advice to everyone. If you call me for IRS representation, the first thing I'm going to ask you is that question. The other thing, you got to make sure all your tax returns are filed. So as an agent, if I'd knock on your door, I'd have your file in front of me, and I would say, hey, are all your tax returns filed, and are you making estimate payments? First two questions out of my mouth. So if you're self-employed and have an IRS problem, and one day someone knocks on the door, it's not me obviously now, but I did this to hundreds upon hundreds of people. I know what the process is, so I'll be able to manage IRS, but I want you to be able to manage your estimate payments. Thank you very much. Give me a subscription. If you know someone struggling, you can share this with them. And I try to answer as many questions as I can. So anyway, thank you so much. I appreciate your time today.